You ready, Jason? And that queen will naturally fall down into that box because it's dark and protected. I hope.
What a fantastic sight this is, to see all these bees. I've never seen bees swarm around me like this.
I just hope that the queen went in there. They don't always.
So she doesn't take off.
Well, so if she's in there, they're going to have bees setting there and they're going to point to her. So let's see what they do. Doesn't look real good yet.
It seems like they went up toward the air.
Yeah.
Can the queen fly?
Yes.
Are those the scouts that go out looking for another place?
Well, that could be your next door neighbor. I may have missed it.
Wow.
Yep, missed
They
her.
cleaned out.
Yep. That's what I should have done. Okay. So we'll keep an eye on him over there.
How fascinating was that? That was intense.